honestly loving it right now. Literally looking, smelling so freaking good. And then he has cute glasses on. $100. Hi lovies, welcome to today's vlog. It is a Thursday and I look like an egg right now because I have my hair all slicked back because I am about to go pick up my wedding dress. I have not tried her on since when I first found her. If you guys are new here and you didn't know this, I am a 2027 bride. I am doing a little bit of a non-traditional. I'm wearing a short dress because we are doing a private ceremony and then a reception. So I knew if I ever did have the whole shebang of a wedding, I probably wouldn't stay in my same dress, even though I hate that, but I like know that's not comfortable. I wish it was normal to stay in your dress the whole time, but just knowing how much I like to dance and whatever, like it's perfect. So I'm gonna go pick up my short dress. I have my shoes and my veil and my cute little tote right here, and I'm about to head out to Overland Park because where I purchased my dress from, it's an OP and it's called Mimi's Bridal Couture. But I might want it a little bit shorter just because short dresses on short people tend to not be like short enough. And if you're short, you know what I'm talking about. Like I don't want like it, I want it to look good, you know what I'm saying. And I don't know if I'll be able to necessarily take videos like in the dressing room because someone will be in there helping me. Well, I'll still take a video, but I don't think I want to reveal my dress yet. Probably won't take any videos of my actual dress just because I'm only showing a few people in my life. So I'm gonna go ahead and head there and I will see you guys either at the bridal shop or here after I pick her up. Okay guys, I'm back home. Here she is. She's in her little holder. So cute. Nice little Mimi's Bridal Couture. They took a cute little boomerang of me and I was not expecting that. I was like, oh god, I literally don't look good. But I will show you guys my veil. I actually cannot remember if I showed you or not before I left. She definitely needs steamed. That will be happening once wedding gets closer. But she is a bouffant veil and she's about elbow length. So a little bit high of a bun today. I've been trying to play around with what like bun sizes I want. Let me put you guys higher. This is actually sitting really nice. So as my bun starts to fall, I really just like that like cascadey, big volume up top kind of look because it just makes me feel so bridal. Cool thing about bouffant veils is they are, well, bouffant bubble veils is this does not open at the end. So it kind of like tears over. No. It doesn't have an opening at the bottom, so it might kind of feel a little bit stiff, but it's gonna photograph great and it's also going to just give that volume, keep that volume. I kind of go back and forth on wanting one that opens at the end, but I just can't find a size that I like, and this kind of just goes with my image that I have for all my vintagey things. So I think I'm gonna stick with this. I just really love like the fullness. Like every angle you're gonna get veil and just like face, and that's exactly what I want. So that's why we love her. But I'm gonna go ahead and play around with my dress a little bit. I think I'm gonna try to put her back on because I'm trying to decide if I want to make it shorter like what I talked about before I got to the bridal boutique. I think she's a good length. I need to kind of like look at it in an environment where I'm not feeling like so rushed. I'm just making a little banana pancake moment. I haven't had a banana pancake in forever and it sounded so good this morning, but I had it like right after the gym, right before I went to go get my dress. So I wanted to make sure that I made more so I could finish it. But yeah, I'm gonna actually talk on the phone with my mom for a while, finish my Alani, and then just keep getting my things ready because I'm packing for my trip I have this weekend. I'm flying to go see my bestie in Charlotte. So that has been what I've been focusing on today, is just making sure my laundry's done so I can pack tomorrow because my flight's pretty early. Hi lovers, welcome to today's vlog. I just got done doing my workout this morning, so I currently reek because it's so hot out. And I got 3 miles in, about a 17-minute walking pace, and now I just did arms, like Gabby George bridal arms, and then also did some abs. good to go. Make sure you guys check my Shop My below. I'm trying to really build up my Shop My. I'm really trying to find ways that I can just keep everything organized as some of my TikToks get more views and new people make their way to my channel. So if you guys ever are seeing like earrings or shirts or whatever, or a decor item or something, not only do I probably have it linked in my Shop My, but if I don't, just comment, and I'm really good about answering my comments because I don't really get much of them anyways. I kind of had to rein myself in this morning. I wanted to go shopping, and I really don't need to do that. I had done plenty of shopping when I was in Charlotte this past weekend. I didn't film any of my stuff in Charlotte because I really just wanted to be present with my best friend. I was only there from Saturday to Tuesday, so it was a pretty quick trip, and I wanted to make sure I was present, but I do plan on giving you guys like a little mini haul of the things that I bought. I went to Free People and spent $200. I'm gonna make some sourdough with cream cheese, and then I have this really ripe banana that not only would be perfect for banana bread, but I think I want to try to make a homemade banana syrup. I've been seeing that on my For You page for my coffees, and I think it's gonna be really good. So that's my little plan today. I have cleaning to do. Very good, realistic, and productive day at home because I don't need to go shopping just because I have free time. Currently 10:56, so I'm going to go ahead and kick off the rest of my morning, and I will see you guys here in just a second after I get some food in my body. Okay, here's what I have so far for my little banana syrup. I added a little dash of honey. I put some water in here. I put some of my stevia brown sugar. I will link that in my Shop My if you guys don't want the calories or sugar that comes with normal brown sugar. I use this Truvia. Basically, it's just artificial. It comes from stevia leaf. I know people feel weird about artificial sweeteners. I understand, but also if it's saving me the calories, like I'm not gonna use real sugar. I put some vanilla extract in there, and I'm gonna let that simmer. And then I will come over here in just a minute at my little coffee station and use my mocha pot to make some fresh coffee, and then I can chill that. I know I'm literally drinking an Alani, but something tells me I might wanna try my coffee syrup later, so I'm gonna finish my sourdough while I wait. Oh my God, sorry. The freaking light back there. I'm gonna finish my sourdough while I wait for that to get done. I have no idea what container I'm gonna put it in. And then I'm going to clean out my trunk because I'm gonna take a couple friends to the airport tomorrow, and I have so much shit in my trunk, and it's a good reason to give me this push to go clean out my trunk. Hey guys, I just got out of the shower and I'm in my little entryway mirror. Hello, so freaking cute. This is a new addition to my apartment. I have this scuba on and then these cute freaking shorts I got on my little trip to Charlotte. They're from Altered State. I did not know Altered State had such cute comfy clothes like that. I've really never shopped there until I just kind of like went in there with my best friend while her and I were walking around the mall, and I was like, wait, these shorts are so cute. But I have lots of laundry to do from my trip, so I'm gonna take care of this. And now I'm gonna make my little banana coffee. I'm really excited for it, so you guys are gonna see some clips of that. And I'm also gonna make a TikTok about it, so make sure you guys follow me on TikTok. I have Stranger Things on in the back, and it's kind of like gloomy out, and I really like it. It's kind of a vibe right now. Okay guys, this is literally looking, smelling so freaking good. I just love an at-home coffee. You know what, I'm gonna put one more little bit of banana in there. I just added my milk and my creamer. I'm gonna put a couple more ice cubes in there, just because I love a very cold iced coffee, but she just looks delicious. Started raining. Why do I look so pale right now? Started raining, so I put on some Twilight Saga Eclipse. Tell me why Eclipse is just the best when it's raining. I don't know why. It's just my favorite movie, but I'm finally gonna get this stuff in the washer. If you guys have never used the Diva Wash, okay, this stuff went viral on TikTok like years ago. This is my absolute favorite detergent to use. It's not cheap, but it's well worth the investment in my opinion, and it makes your clothes smell so good. Bean is being so needy right now. It's not even funny, but it's gloom outside and I'm honestly loving it right now. It's such a vibe. And I've got Eclipse on. So good. It is actually the entire next day. I wanted to check in with you guys because I'm having a little dinner date with Andrew tonight. I'll be honest, I got so sleepy yesterday and I've honestly been kind of busy today. I went on a really long walk. I walked up to my boutique that I work at because I work at our sister boutique tomorrow, and I had to pick up some labels because I needed to tag some of our new arrivals. And I think I'm probably gonna start doing my makeup. We don't have dinner date until around 7, but I feel like by the time it'll be like 5:36, like I'll be ready to start like putting on outfits and stuff. Don't kill me, but I did get a really big order in from Shein. Now I feel partial about ordering from Shein. I used to go through phases of loving it in college, and then as of more recently I was very anti, and then as of more recently I've kind of done my research and realized like fast fashion is everywhere. Fast fashion is in every single clothing store that we probably shop at. I have found wholesale sellers on places like Alibaba and Shein where popular online boutiques or popular name brand stores get their items from. A couple of them that I really love to shop at. A couple of them I just spent a couple $100s at like a few weeks ago. So I think that is something I try to keep in mind because I know it's all the same material. I mean, down to even looking at like the inside tag, it'll have like this number on it. Yeah, so like I was literally doing that when I was in Charlotte this past weekend to see my best friend. We were literally in, what's the store called? Altered State, and I'm like, this stuff totally comes from Shein. So that is something that I am very well aware of. I know it happens, it's a thing. I literally had a friend in college work at Shein and literally tell me that stuff happens. So I know that those brands are literally just getting their items from wholesalers and ripping off the tags from Shein or getting it from like Alibaba so that it doesn't have like the same Shein tags on it. But what are you gonna do? Any hoodles, I am gonna make the rest of my coffee that I had brewed today. I feel like because it's so hot and muggy out in KC, I had a really sweaty long walk, and then I had a really good workout after, and I definitely need a midday coffee. There's nothing wrong with a little midday coffee. I will see you guys here in just a second when I start doing my makeup because I'm gonna show you some of like my favorite products and things like that. Okay, lovelies, I just finished my makeup look for tonight. I'm gonna sit here and edit this TikTok up, post that just for funsies. I haven't done my hair. This is literally how my hair has looked since I got out of the shower, but I am really loving this coffee. I slayed the day away on this one, so I'm gonna sit here, clean my space up, enjoy this banana bread coffee, and I'll probably try to take some clips of dinner tonight, and I'll definitely show you guys my outfit. But after that, I will definitely be closing the vlog out. So if I don't do that yet, this is me telling you I love you guys so much. Make sure you're commenting, liking, subscribing if you made it this far and are not already. So sorry if this vlog was a little boring, but again, I'm trying to refrain from spending too much money this summer just to fill my boredness. So I definitely spent some time in the last couple of days since I've been vlogging with you guys. So regardless, I hope you enjoy. Also, this is a cat stroller. I had somebody literally text me, like one of my friends who I don't see because she doesn't live here, literally text me like, why is there a stroller in one of your vlogs? And I was like, girl, it's a cat stroller. So ignore all the backgrounds. Like I have like my whole Cricut and craft section, and I have like totes full of storage bags that I use to transport my wedding decor to and from my dad's or my car, and it's a mess. But Any hoodles, I'll see you guys here in just a second when I have my full little fit on for date night. Okay, vlog, date night outfit. Andrew, go first. Where'd you get the top?
I think TJ Maxx.
Okay, and then he has cute bottoms on. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Cute bottoms, cute shoes, Berkeys, and Abercrombie shorts, yeah?
Hollister, maybe. I don't remember.
Okay, don't slander me, but the fit happens just to be Shein. I gave you guys the spiel. It's still really cute. This is the same stuff they overpriced in all the department stores. And then cute Sandies are from Amazon. I'll link them down below. But I just wanted to show you guys cute date night fits before we go to Enzo's, and I will show you guys our food.
Smells good.
It's very yummy.